Smiling Mind is a mindfulness and meditation platform that aims to make mindfulness accessible and enjoyable for individuals of all ages. Upon visiting the website, you're greeted by a clean, visually appealing interface that feels inviting and serene. The homepage highlights Smiling Mind's mission, emphasizing mental well-being and emotional resilience. The site's navigation is straightforward, with tabs dedicated to programs, resources, and more, allowing users to easily explore its offerings. One of the most notable features is the extensive library of guided meditation programs. These are categorized by age groups, making it a unique tool for families and educators looking to introduce mindfulness to kids and teens. Adults aren't left behind, as there are numerous meditations aimed at stress relief, improving focus, and fostering better sleep. Smiling Mind's content is delivered through both audio and visual guidance, creating a well-rounded experience. As you dive deeper into the site, you'll notice a focus on science-backed practices. The platform emphasizes evidence-based mindfulness techniques that are simple yet effective. Many of the programs are free, which sets Smiling Mind apart in a market where similar tools often come with a hefty price tag. The user experience is seamless. Registering for an account is easy, and you can track your progress directly on the platform. Smiling Mind also integrates with their mobile app, allowing you to continue your mindfulness journey on the go. However, while the platform is comprehensive, some users might find the interface slightly lacking in personalization options compared to competitors. Additionally, there are moments when the programs might feel repetitive, particularly for advanced practitioners. Smiling Mind does an excellent job of catering to beginners, but experienced meditators may feel that the content is more tailored to those just starting their journey. For educators and organizations, the website provides tailored resources to implement mindfulness in classrooms and workplaces, which is a standout feature for anyone in those fields. Overall, Smiling Mind delivers on its promise of accessible mindfulness, with an emphasis on community well-being and education. If you're new to meditation or seeking a cost-effective way to introduce mindfulness into your routine, it's worth exploring. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful reviews on platforms like this.